Welcome to this series where we'll learn some basic techniques and methods we'll use in our lessons. In this lesson, we'll learn about the wet-on-wet painting technique. See the description below for links to all the videos in this series. Wet-on-wet allows for subtle shading and blending of colors. First, wet the dry area with a brush or spray bottle. Here we used a flat brush to spread the water. Then we loaded it with green paint and spread it over the wet area. This is called a wash. Here we'll paint some gold lawn highlights on top of the wet green paint. Notice how the gold paint spreads on the green paint. You can correct excess paint spread with a paper towel or dry, clean brush. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you get the most out of painting with watercolor. To send me photos of your creations, email them to the address in the description. To be notified when there's a new lesson, be sure to subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.